A technical working group for sanitation of waste and mineral development has today been unveiled by the Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago, officials from the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, together with divisional and municipal mayors. This project, which is funded by the United Nations Development Programme, aims at supporting areas to manage their waste and recover digestible material for biogas. Dr. Brian Isablie, the Commission for Renewable Energy, says excess waste in different dumping areas in Uganda can be put to good use.
Kampala metropolitan area has a vast growing and youth population, which comes with challenges of waste management, sanitation, but it also offers immense potential as a source of energy and an investment opportunity that could be exploited to meet the ever-growing clean energy demand. And of course, there are many other byproducts like my colleague Michael and the other speakers mentioned. So we have immense social, economic and environmental benefits to harness from these wastes. Indeed, our plan along this roadmap is to make sure that wastes stop being a nuisance, but we'll look at them as an opportunity because the potential for us to derive the most needed jobs is very high.
According to the Lord Mayor, Arias Lukwago, waste disposal is still a challenge in the capital Kampala, with the authority being able to handle on 23% of the waste.
I'm really concerned about the sustainability of the systems we have right now. This pick and dump, which we have always decried, and now it is full. For the record, Doctor, the statistics you have given us actually, you have mentioned here 1.5. In your speech you said Kampala alone will generate over 1,500. Yes, 1,500. No, yes, approximately between 2,000 to 2,500 tons a day.
If put to good use, Lukwago says the project will help champion recycling of solid waste.
We can do away with this nuisance and turn it into something positive. Like you have all said, garbage is a nuisance in the Kampala and the metropolitan area. It's a nuisance. Yet, we can harness it as a resource.
A few of the goals that will be achieved through this project are affordable and clean energy, sustainable cities and communities, and climate change.
Is to achieve SDG 11 by the year 2025. For us, we made it very ambitious ahead of the 2030 global agenda. What my dear sister here, the Mayor Nasana, was talking about. We are not going to wait for 2030. We want to achieve this target by 2025. It's a very ambitious program. That's why I was very critical when Dr. Mariam presented this. And I said, when do we expect this to take off? And to be realized that at least we have energy generated from waste and it's on the national grid. I remember the answer she gave. She said, by the year 2023. I noted that, Dr. Maria. I hope we keep within that time frame. And I'm glad the PS...
The principal officer in the Ministry of Energy and coordinator of the project, Michael Imsiwe, has assured the public that the project will not only favor those living in the city centers.
The project actually works in more areas. Currently, we are working in 5 cities. We are working in Kampala, but we're also working in Masaka, in Mbarara, in Jinja, and in Mbare as pilot cities. Now, during this period, those are the few areas we are working in. We are thinking in our plan that subsequently we'll do what we call a scale-up. Now, in the scale-up, we shall work in other municipalities and cities that are being created. Because as you create cities, as you create municipalities, more waste is generated.
At the initial start of the project 2 years ago, $3 million or 10.5 billion shillings was invested into the project, but there is need for an additional $15 million or 53 billion shillings to complete the project. Lakia Tairi Binjira, CTV PM Edition.